Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will be diving deep into a comprehensive review of the BingX exchange, one of the most exciting platforms in the crypto space. BingX has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and a range of features designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether you're interested in spot trading, margin trading, or even utilizing innovative social trading features, BingX has something for everyone. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to explore numerous trading pairs. One of the standout features of BingX is its commitment to security. The platform employs advanced security measures to safeguard your assets, ensuring that your trading experience is safe and secure. Additionally, BingX offers competitive fees, making it a cost-effective choice for traders looking to maximize their profits. But what truly sets BingX apart is its community-driven approach. With social trading, users can follow and copy the strategies of successful traders, which can be particularly beneficial for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrency. This feature not only helps you learn, but also increases your chances of making profitable trades. Now, here's where it gets even better. By using my referral code, CHUCHU, when signing up for the BingX exchange, you can unlock exclusive bonuses and discounts that enhance your trading experience. This is a fantastic opportunity to kickstart your journey in the crypto world with additional benefits at your disposal. So, what are you waiting for? Join the BingX community today and start trading with confidence. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to take advantage of special offers that can make your trading journey even more rewarding. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insightful reviews, tips, and tricks in the realm of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!